Okay, so this is an attempt for an attempt for me to heal Brann on tier 8 in Excavation Site 9, the other new delve that came out with Season 2, War Within. Of course, I'm not going to do that in Shadow as a Shadow Priest. I'm going to have to change my spec to Discipline here and see if I can do this.
Your mana is looking low.
Somebody
Take
just
a
messaged
break.
me. So yeah, no mana. Go ahead and sit down here. See if I have any food. Oh, I do have some food. So I'll go ahead and eat some of this as well. Not that it really matter much. You get a food buff. Buff makes you, I think it increases my intellect slightly. Actually, this fire buff is actually really good. 5% increase to intellect is really good. This one is a stamina and intellect. These numbers are really small. What is it? 400, I think it was. When my intellect is already like 69,000, so 400 is not a big change there. Okay, so I believe he is spec properly. So let's go. This is a pretty tough delve. I've done it a few times. Never done it solo, so we shall see what happens. I'll go ahead and pull. Trying to do damage here.
Be careful.
Okay, so basically I'm healing him while actually attacking, which is one of the things that's fairly new. Wow. No, I'm not doing a lot of damage. Oh, why is he attacking me? That's weird. You're supposed to be tanking, Brann. It's your job. Okay, so far so good. Oh, stay out of that. Ugh. Okay, so we do need to do something. What do we need to do back here? Ugh, I wasn't paying attention. I'm supposed to talk to this person probably. Yeah. Let's see here.
Hey, how you doing?
Let's see. Okay. This is a new story. I'm not familiar with this. Okay. Guess I'm supposed to follow them. We want to go over there. So let's get this group here. Brann, I'm supposed to be attacking. Yeah, I think they changed how he tanks. Oh shit. Let's put this up. I gotta switch to healing here. Okay, this guy's pretty tough.
On me! Kinda cool, all right. Who are you? What are you doing on my property?
Crap.
Surprise!
Oh, it's this guy. The underpin. He's basically just gonna kill us. We're not gonna stay alive for this. His job is just to kill us. Oh my god. I think I'm dead here. Brann is dead. Yeah, there we go. Okay.
Next time, let's use some hard-hitting moves.
I think you're supposed to die there. So he is tank. Yeah, okay, it's good. Yes, get the food buff. That's just very unlucky. I got one death. So hopefully that won't happen again. Lost my food buff. I'm not going to renew it. Oh, let's see. We still didn't get that first quest item there.
Keep up near me!
Supposed to do something else here? I think that's it. And do we have to kill this guy? Oh, we do have to kill this guy. Okay. Got a bunch of guys coming. Oh, this is gonna be bad. Oh, really bad. Shouldn't have stood in that. That was stupid. Okay. Oh my god. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I'm basically sealing. I can't do any damage. Oh, we did it. Okay. Oh, more stuff over here. Okay. So far, so good. The underpin was nasty, but I think everything else should be okay. Get some of these curiosities. Oh, don't stand in that. Okay. guess we need these. I may have missed these before. There's another one here. That's annoying.
You'll find me wherever the action is.
Okay, over here. Hello?
Give another fool. Just got to know.
I need this. Oh, okay. 25%. It's probably around the corner. So I need to go. Guess we need to kill this guy. So far, so good. This guy's not too difficult. Get out of that. Okay. Can we get there from here? No, they're up. They're back there. I missed something again. Oh, and there's one over here as well. Okay. Okay, oh, there's something in there.
I have a target.
I cannot click on this. It's not good. Oh, I'm lagging. Internet issues. Ah, no. There we go. Oh, crap. Oh, no. Well, we're not dead yet. Let's see if I can kill this guy. Okay. Another one. Oh, joy. Oh, fuck. Ah. I don't know. He's standing in something or something? I don't know. Okay. Anything else? Nope. Okay. Get this curiosity. Oh, internet lag. Almost killed us.
Nice fight.
But okay, there's something over here. Yeah, here we go. Basically, we have to get all these things so we can get up to 100% here. Oh, there's something else. What is it? Oh no. Oh, here we go. And
Nice fight!
XP for him. Okay. And I don't know how to get over there. I think I have to go around. Here's another one of these machines. Doesn't seem to be anyone here. Okay, 40%. Probably gonna have to kill that. Okay. So far so good. This is the halfway point. How do we get up there? It must be... Don't know where that is. Respawn. Go ahead and repair. Since I died. Okay, let's get this done.
Give me a moment, champion.
Okay. Is there a guy in there? I don't know what that is. So some things will come out, kill them. Oh crap. Another one. Oh no.
I'm going all out! Here we go!
Okay. Okay. %. Oh, there's something else here. There it is. There is a curiosity there, but I don't want to kill that. Okay. So, oh, here's one.
Nice find!
And there's a chest here, which I believe is a buff. Yeah. Let's see. Don't know what to do with
Keep up their feet!
Okay. Definitely a slower delve than the other one. A lot more stuff here. Okay, another group of things to kill. This is a lot faster if I was DPS, I think. But...
Another fool!
oh crap!
Here we go!
More stuff. More stuff.
I'm going all out! Keep up their feet!
Oh, we got this guy, which is nasty. The adoring fan. Oh crap! What is this? I may have to just heal for now. A lot of little things coming out.
Keep up their feet!
Okay. So we had that guy and this machine together.
I can't loot that right now.
Oh, sorry. But it was okay.
Look around! There's treasure here!
Okay, another big guy. This is the last one. This is for the Nemesis Strongbox, which is an extra reward at the end here. But oh, another guy, same as before. Oh crap! No, no, no. Okay. Basically just smiting him, and then penance whenever it's off cooldown, and putting my power wheel shield on Brann. Okay, he's gone. Okay, another one of these. We're at 80%, so we should almost be done here. Let's see what he digs up. Something coming over there. group coming. Oh my god.
Take on the spoil. Here we go.
Okay. So far so good. That looks like that. Let's see, we might be able to finish this. Let's see if we can. I don't think we're going to be able to. I think it's like 96% here. Oh crap, 98%. Wait, just one more. Something else. Yay. Okay, so speak with Craggy Fitzbran, which is over here, I guess. Probably a boss fight. Probably this guy is the boss.
Time is money, friend.
Craggy Fitzbran. Yeah, I gotta fight him. Okay. I don't remember how to do this, but we will find out. I think I've done this before, but Brann's gonna do all the work. I'm just gonna keep him alive. Okay, there we go. Go for it, Brann.
Get over here.
I may have to heal instead of just doing damage. Basically, don't stand in the fire or blue shit or whatever that is. Looks like penance with power with radiance is going to be enough. I forget what that's called. Ascendance. Atonement. Atonement is the buff. Oh crap. Atonement is the buff that allows me to heal a certain amount of damage that I do.
Brann's got your back.
A certain amount of my damage turns into healing. Yeah, this guy seems pretty easy compared to other bosses. Got him. He's dead. Yeah.
Progress.
Okay. And now we're done. Treasure room. Well, it took a while, but wasn't too bad. The only death we had was from the Underpin guy, and he's literally impossible to defeat, so I'm not too surprised. He did have a treasure, I thought. But I don't know. Maybe I didn't find where he died. So this is a bountiful delve, which means if you have a restored coffer key, you can open up this chest. I have 2, so I can. I'm going to open up these first. And these. We did all of the strongbox bosses, so we got this strongbox here. It doesn't really give me much of anything though. And then finally the What I really want is the bountiful coffer. What did I get? Let me guess. It's a use trinket. No, it's a waste, but it's not an upgrade. What I have is already better. Yeah, my priest is 632 already, so it's going to be hard to get upgrades doing these delves. But anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. Tier 8. Yeah, I did a tier 8 by myself. Oops, wrong button.